Hello, in this tutorial we will write a Python program to check whether the number is even or a odd number. How do you define that some number is even or odd? Like what is the definition of the even number or odd number? If any number when divided by 2 leaves the remainder 0, then it's a even number, otherwise odd number. And in Python, you can check remainder of, like if you divide 3 by 2, it should leave remainder of 1, right? So there is a operator of percentage. You give this will give you remainder. There you go. So if I want to say 15 remainder by, let's say, 6, then 6 2 times 12, then I should have remainder 3, and it gives me 3, which means this operator is useful. We will be using this one. So let's take a number from user first. We will take integer this time because we want to check if number is even or odd, which we can only be apply the concept on integers. So input, oh sorry, integers, input, enter any number. User can enter any number, and we put a condition over here, and we take remainder of the number by 2, and if this remainder is equals to 0, then our number is even. So we print over here that this is is a is an even number dot format, and this is actually a number. And we say if this is not true, like the remainder is not 0, then obviously the number will be odd. So we just print over here that this is an odd number. Format it now. So I hope this works. Let's say 10. Yeah, so it says 10 is an even number. Yeah, great, right? Perfect. 13. 13 is a odd number. Great. Wow. 500 is an even number. Great. 1001 is an odd number. Great. Good to go. See you in next tutorial.